Quick update on SOFI. Obviously, a horrible day if you're holding the stock. Yesterday, we had the after hours reaction to Upstart, which apparently we are going to move whatever Upstart goes. I don't understand how the algos are programmed like that, but that's the way it is. We have no control over that. So we went down after hours, and then obviously a huge sell-off today. Went all the way down to 484, got halted, and now we're bouncing back a little bit. Apparently earnings were released early in the day, and we'll hear from the conference call after hours and see if those numbers are legit. But if this is the earnings reaction, it's not the best. However, I wanted to give you a little update on the wave count. On the last video, I had it as A, B, C, and I thought this might be the bottom right here. If you go on the 4 hour, however, this just pretty much solidified the fifth wave here, and so that looks about right. Sometimes I get impatient on these moves, but this is clearly a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 move, and let's see if it hit the 50% in the 61.8 fib. It hit the 50% exactly. Look at that. 484 exactly. So this should be the bottom. If it goes lower than this, then I mean, it's impossible to chart then, because we have a clear 5-wave move. It hit the 50% retracement, coming to the fourth wave. So now what are we looking at from here? I would be looking for a B wave, since we just completed the A wave. And I would be looking for at least a 50% retracement to 769 all the way to about 840. So somewhere in there would be a good price target for the B wave. So I'll go ahead and put the B there. And then after that, like I said in the last video, unfortunately this pattern, if we are to hit the B wave here, which I'll probably use a daily chart from now on because I've been going down too low in time frames. From there, we would do the same thing. We would do a it'd be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 move down for the C wave. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 A wave, B wave, C wave. I have this marked wrong. This should be a C wave. Down here, and the unfortunate part about that is it's going to be lower than this. Percentage wise, maybe like 1.23 of AB. So let's say we go to 840. So maybe it goes down to like $4, something like that. So I guess in summary, I'll just say I think we're going to bounce to at least minimum 769 all the way to 840. And that sounds kind of crazy right now with how the market is, but I'm also expecting SPY to bounce back after that move all the way down to 395 from 450. And so I'm expecting SPY to hit maybe 435. And so that would correlate perfectly with this move right here. Plus, if we have some good news here in after hours from Noto, then that should give us a boost. But you're going to be looking for a bounce, pullback, and then bounce to somewhere in here. And if the market were to go up through June, this may be a long bounce to 760 all the way to 840. And it could go all the way to the very top. You just never know. But that's a good prediction right there, the 50% and 61.8% retracement. And then like this stock, I'm expecting SPY to hit 435-ish and then sell off to below the low of today, so maybe like 370, 380, and that's why we would sell off to about $4. And then if you watched my video on the dollar was in the third wave. Let's see what it's at right now. It was in the third wave of the overall fifth wave on a move that started back in 2008. So maybe that will close out the fifth wave Well, it's actually up right now. Let's zoom out a little bit and see where we're at in the dollar. So we have 1, 2, this is a third wave right here. We haven't even started the fourth wave yet. So I'm expecting the dollar to fall here soon towards 102, 101, and that should also give a boost to SOFI and SPY. So the dollar, and another reason why, so I have a dollar going back to like 101 to 100 and then bouncing up here to like 106, and that's another reason why I expect SOFI to go below the low today and SPY to go to 370 to 380. So just wanted to show the correlation between everything, but near term SOFI should be bouncing to 769 all the way to 840 in my opinion. So just a quick update. Let me know what you think in the comments.